Boy, oh boy, am I sleepy. Oh, yo. Anyway. Let's get to it. Oh wait, gotta share it in the Discord. Just reading the comments in the Discord from Quant Techo just to see what's going on. Still not looking good for them. A lot of people are still waiting for replies and stuff like that for their payout requests, which is really bad, to be fair. Let's be honest. Not looking good, is it, for them boys? Really, it's not. Anyway, let's go to the charts and see what the hell is going on then. Let's drop down to M5 and then we can kind of see what we're gonna do. What news do we have today? Also, Japan's Prime Minister Takaichi relayed to Bank of Japan Governor Ueda at their meeting last week reservations about a further rate hike. I need to look into exactly what they're talking about within there. Or within that, just to kind of get a bit more context, because that's quite vague, to be honest. I can't really figure out much from that. I would definitely need more information. 100%. Yeah, I'd need more information on that, unfortunately, so that's fine. But it looks weak for the yen, which is brilliant, I suppose. Issue now becomes, where do we tend to drop down from? Because I don't expect this to keep going higher and higher and higher, not all in one day. Now, what I do expect is this low is going to be interesting. Maybe I think this moves the goalpost quite a lot. It really does. It shifts everything's direction over. Whoops. Our phone's on loud. I'm gonna bring that over there as well, actually, and then I'll get rid of that, and then that can come over to Thursday. That should be okay for that. And then from here, the next place we've got is I think if it's gonna go near, it might go to about there. There. That's what I'm guessing for on this. Get rid of it. I'm glad the invalid zone did fail. Just didn't fail on that day, did it? Just tagged in and then dropped down, which makes sense because build up, sweet, push down. That's fine, but I thought I'd be able to get a push through these highs, but no. Looks like I was a bit early for longs yesterday, or the idea of longs yesterday was a little bit earlier than ideal. Sit and wait now on that pair. Let's go to UK. Nothing really here I can take an interest in. And you see, I think we might keep going. I have a logical reason as to why as well. We got gold and silver. 15.
EU's catalyst says we're trying to find a solution on Russia's sanctions.
We're set into that support level right there. I just broke out at this level here. It'd be interesting to see whether or not if they can hold price. Silver, of course, is outperforming. Yesterday was a surprisingly big move for what we had seen on gold versus silver, because you haven't seen gold outperform silver in quite a while. That was interesting. So what am I looking at? I'm thinking this low here is an invalid low. So I think we can trade into that. I think we just come up here, rejected the midline. I'd like to see price go higher to this level and then short down is what I would prefer. But I'm not sure if you're gonna get that, but because we have the midline of Asia, got somewhat resistance level. Yo, how you doing, man? Where's the soundboard?
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Morning. I'm dead, bro. Absolutely dead. How you been? We've already taken these lows here, and then we've got this low here. So actually this low might be protected on EU maybe. And obviously you got these highs up here as well. And that was 1, 2, 3 lows. How are you, Francis? All good, just experimenting with Pine Street using numerous AI models. That sounds really boring. Sounds really boring. Low, high, level, low, low, high, level, low, level, high, level, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. So first leg, second leg, and it missed there. Third leg creating now. It broke structure and tagged back in within 1-2 minutes, and the SI would have been huge. Are you talking about trading stuff using AI or whatever? I've been able to get indicator that draws fibs for me. Now I don't have to do it every day. Oh god, yeah, I could have told you that. If you told me you're drawing fibs every day, I could have told you that. There's even an indicator that puts all the breaks and structures on the chart as well. There's indicators for many things, bro. You can even build your own indicator if you use ChatGPT or AI as well, to be honest, bro. If you wanted to like build one, because I know one guy who I have a similar method of trading to. He's built one, a bot using AI. He's built a bot, and basically it trades kind of like similar to what he does, but he has to use like EMAs and stuff like that to kind of signal that, oh, now a breaker structure's occurred, now there's a validation for it, blah blah blah. But he doesn't get like crazy risk rewarding, does like 1-to-1, 1-to-2s, but his win rate's like 70% or something, which ain't bad. I worked on it all night and now it works like a charm. I'm so proud. That's good, man. That's good. Personally, I don't like the idea of any of this bot stuff or anything like that. I just like the idea of manual execution, because with the trading is discretionary, isn't it? So you can't create discretion in something that doesn't comprehend discretion, if you get what I mean. 6154.
EU's callous says relationship with the US has taken a heavy blow.
I think because the spreads are so big, it's actually going through that zone, ain't it? Which is fine. So that's okay. That's fine. Let's look at indices really quick. The VIX is up 10%. We're at 21. Wow. Bloody hell. Wow. Bitcoining down 2.2%. ETH down 1.9. JPY up 0.7. 0.7. Yeah. And a weakness in the yen. A big weakness in the yen. How are you anyway, Francis? How you been? What you been doing and stuff? What's going on in the world of Francis? I think I may be able to short down to this invalid zone, take that invalid zone out, and then possibly push higher. So I might look for shorts. I'm so tired. That's good. Sounds like you've been doing a lot of studying with your strategy, which is good. Good. Really good. Refining is one of the best things you can do, man. Like, to better yourself as a trader, is to just kind of get more experience into the way that you trade and more data and stuff like that. It's always more of a benefit than anything. I find it easy to trade, to be honest, once you've kind of figured out your strategy and you've got all your data and stuff. It's easier to trade. I don't want to go long on GU yet. I got rid of GBPCHS, so now I'm just trading these 4 pairs and then I keep buying gold and silver. Still haven't had my payout yet. Where's the next alert? On here. I've never used buy stops or sell stops, man, but I'm glad you're doing stuff and developing more. It's been London's, I don't know if you've been paying attention or not, but London's been absolutely horrendous, bro, for the last like 1-2 weeks. Like really bad price action and ranging and stuff like that. And then New York's just been like freaking a rocket. Quite a lot of moves been happening in New York, but the issue I found is I can't seem to get in anywhere because it just flies in one direction and then you're just like, oh, okay. What's new anyway in Kenya? Anything interesting going on? That's good. Trading's been boring, bro. I've had a few limits set, been swerved a few times, haven't taken any L's. Just I took one break even, but it's only on some accounts because the other accounts I didn't manage to take an entry, so some accounts got a break even. That was on GU shorts a few days ago, Wednesday last week. And then I think Monday or Tuesday I had 2 limits set on UJ or GJ longs. They flew all the way to TP like 18R or whatever, but couldn't seem to get an entry. EURUSD swerved me one day by 0.1 pips, so one single pipit, which was hilarious. What else was there? Yeah, that's it really. There's not been that much going on. There's been a lot of shoddy price action, like really crappy price action. The yen's absolutely falling. Oh, we missed you, bro. Missed you a lot. I don't know if many people are gonna come or not because it's Ramadan, isn't it? So I don't know if like the other guys are gonna come. This war with Iran is just making trading a little bit harder, just like the government shutdown and the tariffs and the economic sabotage against Europe and Venezuela. Yeah, there's a lot going on. There's a lot going on, that's for sure. There's a hell of a lot going on. I wanted to get into gold and silver longs, innit? Oh, right, it is. Yeah, so yeah, there's a lot going on, to be fair, which makes sense as to why it's harder to trade. And then you got Trump. He's an idiot, man. He really is an idiot. I'm still waiting on this payout from Quanteco. On the bright side, the computer's really good, but I've noticed a bit of an issue with it. Oh, I've been doing fine tuning as well. Like I've been overclocking the CPU and GPU, doing stuff like looking into and stuff like that. Like what is a good safe overclock, undervolting, all that stuff. Well, the issue I've come to realize is it's too good of a computer. I really overkill built it. And I feel so weak and like lack of energy. Now you can watch your price hit SL faster and in 8K. Yeah, exactly. I can basically I can see it in like 8K because the GPU is the only thing that isn't like an absolute monster is the GPU, because I don't really need like a crazy GPU. But yeah, I could watch it in 8K, hit a limit, and then in the same second just hit an SL. Whoa, my computer's so fast. I see the tick chart now. Now the problem is I also see the tick chart now. Yeah, this overclocking stuff is really fun as well, to be fair. But I haven't played a single game on the computer because everything I play is expensive and all the free games are shooting games and I absolutely suck ass. I did like a little test on the computer after overclocking the GPU, and I downloaded PUBG because the ChatGPT said it's very demanding on your GPU, so it'd be a good way to test it and your CPU. So I did that, and I went through training and stuff like that just to kind of like let the computer load and stuff. I don't like it. I do not like shooting games at all. You got WSDA, and then you got shift and space and 1 2 3 4 for like reloading and looking, and then you got to turn the mouse around and everything to turn around and stuff. I hate it. Absolutely hate it. I do not like shooting games at all. Really, I don't. Skyrim. That even sounds gay. What is that? Now I've heard of it, but it sounds really gay. I wanted to play stuff like Forza Horizon, like the racetrack version, which is motorsport. Yeah, motorsport. And then I wanted to play like stuff like that, but it's all expensive. These guys keep telling me to download the zombies, whatever it is, COD or something. I don't know. But the games are expensive, man. Have you caught any good trades? Have you passed any challenges? What's going on with the trading experience side of things? As your 50 free accounts. You and your free accounts. Pretty good RPG game. You can mod. Pretty good RPG game. You can mode it heavily and make it an entirely new game, or you can play vanilla and a few mods to improve the game quality and fix some minor bugs. I don't know, bro. Stuff like the I don't know, those games, I don't know, man. I'm into stuff like Genshin Impact's okay. I'm bored of it now though. But I did enjoy it when I was playing it. I have downloaded it. Bro, I've downloaded Genshin Impact, I've downloaded Withering Waves, I've downloaded Counter-Strike 2, I've downloaded Assetto Corsa, and I've not touched any of the games. I played it for 5 minutes and I got bored. I don't know what's up. I don't know if it's... I don't know, it's just a bit... The games I wanted to play, like Forza Motorsport, Dragon Ball Sparkling something. There's another game. Street Fighter, the 2023 or 2024 Street Fighter. What else is there? I even bought a controller. Look how my camera's bit. I literally even bought an Xbox controller, bro, so I can play. And it's just been plugged in for a week and not done anything. Like, I haven't even touched it. I played Withering Waves for like, I think it's 14 minutes or something. So yeah, I've got Counter-Strike 2. So yeah. I think what it is I also kind of want to game when the computer's ready for it, because the monitors are still really crappy. I've seen 2 monitors by MSI. They're 180 refresh rate, 2K. So I was going to get 2 of them. The current monitors I got 24 inch. I'm going to try and get 2 32 curved. But I'm trying to get 1000 on the curves, just like a really sharp curve on a 32 inch monitor. So I can have 2 32 inch monitors on a massive curve, or a very tight curve. Or 27 inch, 2 27 inches with less of a curve. And they're all basically 2K, about 180 refresh rate. Because I was looking at the specs on this computer, and the high demanding games should be able to do about 150 FPS. And then on the lower demanding games and stuff like that, like bro, when I was on PUBG, the computer's cranking out 540 FPS on PUBG. 540 FPS at 1080p. Bro, 540 FPS. I haven't even logged into... I saw that on Twitter, that the machine of your dreams makes you get bored because you just achieved what you wanted, the computer. Yeah. Like, as I said to you guys before, I'm not really, as I said it to like you and the other guys before, that I'm not really much of a gamer. And I am on really weird games that most people don't like to play, like Dragon Ball Z and stuff like that. They're not really the popular mainstream games. I can put hours into games like that, bro. Hours and hours and hours. So yeah, and then now I've built it, it's like, the only thing I really like about the computer, it looks cool, don't get me wrong, but the CPU is absolutely amazing, bro. You click something, it loads it. You have everything loaded, bro. You can see the future with that kind of frame rate. Yeah, it's mad. It's mad. But my monitors are only 60 hertz and it's uncapped. And to be honest, if I wanted a 240 hertz monitor on 2K, it's too expensive, bro. Because the monitor I found from MSI is £120. So about what, $140, bro, for a 27 inch 2K 180 hertz monitor. Really good value. Really good value. And I think the 32 inch was like £150. There's like £20-30 more. Now if I wanted to go for the 240 hertz one, it goes up to like 190 each monitor, and I'm not that bothered. Because to be honest, bro, you could probably see 150 hertz with your eyes, 160 hertz with your eyes. Yeah, I don't know if you're gonna see 240 hertz. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if you're gonna see that. You get what I mean? Because you've had such a big move on the yen, I don't know if you're gonna get much more on the price. So I'm gonna get the monitors hopefully in about a week. I'll have the monitors. I've listed my old computer the sale, so hopefully I get some money from there. But the coil wine is really bad. Oh my god, the coil wine, you get quite a bit of coil wine. But bro, this computer is really well built, man. Really well built. I did like all the benchmarking tests and like temperature tests and stuff like that. And this computer holds temperature so well because of the 9 fans in the case, bro. All these fans in the case really help. It really does. I think I'm gonna go to 4 o'clock on that. Same with that. If we're already dropping on pound USD, odds are we can probably look to shorten it from euro, but we had it's hard to say. No, I don't like the look of that. It's too messy. What about Microsoft Flight Simulator? Why drive when you can fly? I don't find I don't think I've ever tried flying games, and they sound boring as well. See, I'm really picky, man. I'm really picky. Send help. I'm really picky. So I suppose you could, yeah, you could short from there, but I don't like the look of that. So let me go on Steam's website and I'll tell you the games they've got available right now, and I'll tell you the ones I'm interested in. So let's go on Steam. And also, what other websites can you download games from? Because I went to Steam and I went to Epic. Epic is disgusting, got absolutely nothing worthwhile. And Steam seems to have all the good games. So what I've got downloaded so far is I've got Assetto Corsa downloaded. I've got Counter-Strike 2 downloaded. I've got Wuthering Waves downloaded. And then do you have like a wish list? Yeah, so my wish list is all the stuff I want to buy. There's the new Initial D game, Dragon Ball Sparkling Zero, Forza Horizon 6 and Tekken 8. Which other games are there? How do you search like the top games they have, or like the top sellers or something? Demos, new hot. How do you see like top sellers? There you go. So the top games, yeah. Basically, at the moment on here. We're breaking the 19th February Tokyo low that broke on the 20th. Price rejected off for Tokyo Milan today, so maybe that's a sell confirmation. I don't know if you're talking about some midline over on the left, I'm guessing here, innit? Oh yeah. Depends if you're talking about GJ or UJ, obviously. But yeah, I hear you. So okay, so Steam's top sellers, Counter-Strike 1. Counter-Strike is the popular game. Then Stream Deck. Then Resident Evil Requiem. Don't like horror-ish type games. That's number 3. That's a pay game. Then you got Mugenix. Don't know what that is. That's number 4. You've got Warframe. Don't know what that is. You got Overwatch. Then you got Helldivers 2, which is a paid game. Then you got Warhammer paid game, Kingdom Come, Deliverance paid game, Star Trek Voyage paid game, Battlefield 6 paid game, Apex Legends free. Euro Truck Simulator, Ark Raiders paid game, Marvel Rivals free game, Ark Survival Ascended paid game, War Thunder free, Dead by Daylight paid, Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege free, Rust 35, The Sims 4 free, Resident Evil 4 paid, Outer Wilds paid, Monster Hunter Wilds paid, Wuthering Waves free, F1 2025 paid, Diablo 2 paid, Planet Zoo paid. But all these games, I don't even these games suck ass. Oh, GBPUSD. We're breaking 19th February Tokyo low. We're breaking 19th February Tokyo low. That we broke on the 20th. Yep. Okay, yeah. Price rejected offer Tokyo midline today. Oh, you mean yesterday rejected off of Tokyo midline round here? Tokyo midline today, so confirmed that's a sell. Oh, okay, interesting. Got you. Well, the computer looks so good. Oh, also, I've realized, yeah, I have a question about Open RGB. Is it normal for when you choose a color like white? Some fans have a slightly different hint of white. Like they're not all exactly the same. It's like a slight difference of white between some of the fans. It's like a tiny noticeable difference if you actually focus on it properly. I need sag bracket as well. The sag bracket that come with this also is bending, which is stupid. Why have the sag bracket? Why? Yeah. These are all the same thingy, but yeah, maybe you're right. Right then. Have you passed any of your accounts yet? From the free ones that you've got, or did you blow them all, or what? How did you check the moderator list? Community moderation. No. Participants. No.
China Commerce Ministry on US tariff adjustments says we're closely monitoring US measures.
Which is interesting.
China urges the US to refrain from imposing additional unilateral tariffs.
I forgot that you lost all them. Are you sure you told me? I feel like I forgot. Lost all the free ones I explained before, like January 15th.
China Commerce Ministry on US tariff adjustments says China is willing to hold the sixth round of trade talks with the US.
Can live with libraries for 6 months. So what are you doing now? Just using demo accounts then, or what? Or have you already got like 1 or 2 of your own accounts, like live ones or whatever? Like, yeah. Are you still with Think Capital? Oh, you're still with Think Capital. Yeah, bro, you're on the 30-minute time frame, man. Just ignore Euro USD. Just do GU, gold, and UJ. Then you got diversification there. They're all not too closely correlated. Hello, Vi. Because if they're too closely correlated, you're trading the same pair basically. There's no point. You want diversity. USD JPY gives you yen exposure. GBPUSD gives you probably the highest Forex volume you're gonna get. Generally speaking, in London session anyway. Gold you're already trading anyway. So that's it. That'll be enough. Gold, GU, and UJ. Like those 3 are quite solid. And if you really wanted to, you could throw an index in there as well, like Nasdaq or probably US 30 on a 30-minute time frame. Hello, bye whoopie beep boop. The EMA and SMA is only good for very higher time frame buy stuff like daily, weekly, 4 hour. It's not good for entering on a 30-minute time frame or anything because they're a lagging indicator, so they don't really give you that accurate information. Now I have seen people backtest the absolute hell out of it and then try to make it usable on like M1, M5, but they have very aggressive settings on there, and I don't really know much about it. And to be honest, bro, if you're trading M1, don't use indicators, look at price action, understand what it's doing. Best thing you could do. So to be honest, if you're going to use it on, because you trade 4 hour and then 30-minute entry, you can probably use it for confluence with your 4 hour, but on the 30-minute, I don't think you'll be able to use it, or on the 1 hour. Because it's a very lagging indicator. It works on previous data and like stuff like that. So it's not like live. You have to backtest it, bro. You can't just say, what do you think? You have to get data for it, innit? Come on, boy. You know that. Do German 40 then. Do DAX. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. Look at midline right there, 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 midline kind of there, midline right here, bro. It works really good on UJ, man. UJ has a lot of action around the midline. Look at that. Look at that. Another one there. Another one there. Another one right there. Another one right there. That was just kind of consolidated. Another one right there. Another one. Yeah, I suppose say right there. That's just consolidated. Another one right there. Another one right here. Another one right here. Another one right here. Yeah, UJ works really good, bro. What are you talking about? Why are you bloody lying? I need to look for some type of reversal to occur, hopefully. Oh god. Why is that all over to that? Yeah. But yeah, Vi, you need to basically backtest and get information, because it's hard to say, innit? Because the thing is, when you change one thing, it could drastically change a lot of your thinking. Better to use whole MA on a time frame lower than current update of account. Currently 1.7% loss and 0.5 losing strike. Why are you 2.7%? It should be 2.5, no? Or 3. Where did 2.7 come from? Oh, that's commissions. Try to include your commissions in there. So then your total loss is that much. Ah, damn it. Slippage. That's annoying. Beautiful. First leg, second leg, off to the races we go. Off to the races we go. You're an idiot. First leg, second leg. Why not break that structure or break that structure there, create a third high, come back down, let me enter in it. No, it doesn't want to. Stupid. I'll never understand why people love trading, man. It's such a crappy job. Sippage. Yeah, that's okay then, man. You can't control that. Yeah, it does barely touch the midline, but then what you can do to offset that is just cover the zone. That's it. Because the point is, it does work off of there a lot. If you just cover the zone, then you're sorted, isn't it? Like, you're good to go. I think you're gonna chop around and range again. Watch. I think it's gonna be another day of absolute bollocks price action, because you got no news really. Oh yeah. Also, Tokyo extends more than New York on UJ. I don't like that. I might gather some data, but I've tried it before and it just weird. It's too weird for me. UJ, GJ, you can try. You enter from the midline of Asia, man. The GU is alright for midline. E is alright for midline, but G is generally a better pair in volume. SL and everything's gonna be very similar. It's just GU gives more volume, so you're gonna have more profit, or easier to hit your take profit levels on GU. I was trying to think of what else you could think you could do, because it's good to do like one indice, like 1 or 2 Forex and a commodity, because then it shows diversity in it. What the yo, where's this? Yo. That's all the way over to there. That's just because of what the thing you just said, innit? They're considering rate cuts again or whatever, or something like that. I think that's why. I've seen it earlier on today on Financial Juice. There was some sort of news surrounding it. But yeah, that was lovely, man. First leg, second leg, and then it just absolutely third leg flew off. Absolutely flew off. But issue is it tagged it's back at Asia midline. If you get a short confirmation, I'd like to short from here, from the midline of Asia. I've been getting bored of trading, man. We're up almost 1% on pound, 200 pips, and 1% on UJ, which is 150. Do you still go to Dowie and those other people's streams and stuff, Francis? And Actually, now you don't use. Do you still use Think Capital then or not? Like, if you got any other accounts, for the free ones? Because I was gonna ask if they've changed any of their rules or anything, or if their rules are still the same. It's been a while now that they've been out. I'd expect them to start changing rules now, innit? Because they've been around for a while now, or a few months now. Okay, we're going closer towards the midline. They got that Think Capital account. The rules are all the same, no change. Interesting. Did you trade this weekend? What do you mean this weekend? How can you trade on the weekend? Markets are closed. We still have to check. I might have new rules that I'm following unconsciously. Oh, okay, yeah. I don't know. Bro, you know, I don't enjoy trading. I don't love it. It's just a job. And I hate working. So I don't really enjoy trading. So if you can make money on the weekends, I wouldn't bother, because if I made money in the week, who cares? And even if I didn't make money in the week, I wouldn't really want to spend my weekend trading anyway. I'd rather just go relax, chill, do it, live life. Do you still go to Doe's live streams and stuff or not? I turn her notifications off, man. So I don't know what she does. Ugh. You know, the more I learn about this, the more I feel I don't know trading after 8 years. Bro, if you've been studying for 8 years, bro, and you're still not profitable, quit the job. I'm not joking. Seriously. 8 years and you haven't made profitability. Ignore consistency, even like profitability. Bro, just quit trading. Honestly, I'm not even joking. This is harsh truth, bro. You're just wasting 8 years of your life. You're not going to get that time back. You could just work a normal job in 8 years and make money, rather than losing money in 8 years. Oof, that's bad, bro. That's really bad. Man. Also, you change a lot. You change so many things too often. You don't stick to one thing. You don't back test it. You don't gather data. You don't study it. I like how we come to the midline on Asia, on GU, and then we had that nice bit of volume coming in there. We didn't break structure though. I would like to see a 2-leg come off of there, or price come higher, take out this level and then short from there. I would prefer that very much. So it took you 8 years to make one payout for $300. Bro, give up, man. I'm not even joking. Give up. Performance data. Why you didn't do the full year of data last year? Why you only did 4 months? Oh. That makes sense. Francis, are you still here? If so, do you know any other places you can get decent games for free or not, man? GOG Games is the place I know. Epic Store has 100% discounts, but their launcher sucks. GOG Games is the only place I know. GOG Epic. Epic's they got shit games, bro. Really shit games. Steam has the best games that I've come across so far, but all of them are like paid or expensive, the decent ones. Epic had, bro, I don't like their I don't know if it's their launcher or whatever you call it. Unfortunately, you have that new PC. Would have sailed this the high seas. How's your trading this month? For me, I got swerved 2-3 times. I took that break even on GU. I'm happy with it, bro. My analysis has been really good, to be fair. It's just price hasn't been that clean in terms of entries, or I got swerved and stuff like that, or there was an entry but the SL was too big so I couldn't take it. But these things, I'm happy with them because it's just part of the game. And point is, my strategy still works, everything still works. It's just little niggly issues that I'm not willing to sacrifice my risk reward for. I'm not gonna have a 3 pip SL turn into a 6 pip SL and then turn a 17R trade into literally half of what it is. I'm not risking that. I'd rather just have no trades and just wait for that one trade that does hit, and then in 1-2 hours I've made 18R, then I'm done for the whole month. I prefer that. I do get bored looking on the charts every day, but the good thing about YouTube is that when you guys are here, I suppose it's entertaining, isn't it? It gives me more chance to like talk to you guys and chill out and stuff, and I suppose I could even provide value or whatever as well, or give guidance on things without worrying about the chart so much. Yeah, Epic's store is really bad. Steam's good. I like the store. It's easy to navigate and stuff like that. These months are harder to trade because there's so much going on in the market. The sexy computer, man. Very sexy. Anyway, next thing I need to upgrade is my internet, but I can't really do anything about that because there's no good internet here. Wow, what? What do you mean, wow? What is? Oh, the markets. Oh yeah, the shit, I know. This why I need patience in it, bro. You're down 2.7%. I'm break even and I haven't taken a trade. And the limits I did set, even though they got swerved, the price flew, bro. Absolutely flew. And I didn't chase price or anything because in that case, yeah, it might work chasing that price action. But in the next case, it might not work, which is why you always have to stick to the A+ setup or something like that. I think you shouldn't really have a dynamic trading approach or anything until you've got at least 5 years of experience, because at that point, with all the data and experience, you can start actually having more of a dynamic approach as to trading, like having an A plus setup and then taking a B and then taking the C setup and then doing like hedges and stuff like that. Because at that point, you've got so much experience that you kind of know what you're doing to a really high level. Boy, you're here 8 years and I don't know what you're doing. Nearly at 9 o'clock. You like one tweet on Instagram reel about bodacious babe and that becomes your new feed now. Yeah, I know, it's very quick at throwing certain stuff in your face. I keep seeing posts about that girl I sent you pictures of on that girl I shown you on Discord. For yo, man, what is it with girls and tattoos? I just can't handle it. I can't handle it. Oh, damn. Why are you spinning off for? What's wrong with you? There ain't no GPU, CPU temp right now, you stupid. I can't even see it on that screen, you need to bring it over here. You can't see the temp and stuff or anything. Shall we have a look at something else, because this is getting a little boring now. So look at gold. Oof. Gold is really bad. Silver is much better. Much better. What's funny? What are you laughing at? Please send help, man. Please, like, bring an interesting topic that we can discuss, or something really hilarious that we can do, because I'm so bored. I'm dying from boredom, and I can't even drink water because I'm thirsty and it's Ramadan. I just want to go to bed. I don't want to trade. Wah. Oh, the anime, the trading one. Any idea when it's due to come out? I haven't heard anything about it since. So like this day, just take a break. Bruh, I think I might take a break for a few months. Probably like 24-month break. By then, hopefully Trump will calm down and then markets will go back to normal. You know, my one of my friends' friends, he's been trading for like 6-7 years. He was saying to me and my friend who is his friend, because me and him started at the same time, April 2024-ish, yeah? He goes, you guys started the worst time. You had 2-3 good months and then after that it went downhill. And it's been downhill consistently. Because he said 2021 was great, 2022 was great, 2023 was great, 2024 was shit, for like the first part was great, then it was shit. He goes 2025 was arse. He goes 2026 is arse as well. But they said we made so much money from 2021, 2022, 2023 that we don't really care about 2024, 2025. Because they made that much money in the first 3-4 months. 3-4 years or whatever. And then he goes, obviously the first 1-2 years he was struggling anyway, but yeah. I was like, don't worry mate, I'll make money in 2025, hopefully in 2026. And when these easy times that you're talking about come round, I'll be slapping all the TPs, hopefully then. You survive the shit to get to the good. Oh, okay. Okay, that makes sense. So not anytime soon. This year and last year have definitely been crap, but I'm gonna tough it out until the orange lunatic leaves. Yeah. You know what it is? Like, because I'm saying it to my friends as well, yeah? And the ones who've been trading for a long time. I goes like, you're lucky but not lucky at the same time. And they're like, why? I said, I started at the worst time, as you already mentioned, yeah? Which means if I get past it, then I'm only just gonna be an even better trader, whereas you guys have to learn how to adapt to a crappy market, because you've only known good markets according to what you guys are saying. Whereas me, all I know is a crappy market, but my patience and stuff is kind of preserving me in it. And I'm looking at what the market is doing. I'm looking at the way price is moving. I'm looking at the way it behaves. I'm still gaining experience anyway. And I managed to get funded and get 4 payouts, which ain't bad, bro. That's not bad at all. That's not bad at all. I think the biggest thing is not blowing a single account. I think that's the biggest thing is not blowing a single account. But hopefully after the idiot leaves, the orange idiot, then markets might return back to a better condition. They can start making money again. But I don't know what that means for prop firms, because I know prop firms are struggling because gold is just flying through, silver's flying, gold's flying, and a lot of people made money out of that, so prop firms struggled. So maybe when it goes back to normal conditions, maybe prop firms will be a bit better as well. Maybe, I don't know, that's just a guess. I wonder what's gonna happen next after him. Like after he leaves, I wonder what the next candidate's gonna be. Have you realized America's always had shitty presidents? Like, they've consistently had shite presidents. Oh god, JD Vance is even worse than Trump. I don't know who AOC is or Newsom. They're all shit. Honestly, they're all really shit options. They're all really... Bro, America needs a lefty leader, bro. Honestly, they just need like a humanitarian leftist socialist leader. I want Zohran Mamdani to run. Zohran Mamdani ready, I'm telling you now. Freedom for the Middle East. This is really bad price action, man. And gold is just flipping disgusting. Silver, wow. What else can we look at? What are the pairs? You know what? Let's look at gbpchf. Let's come to that 4-hour invalid zone. That's gonna fail. Even that's really crappy price action. Yeah. It's funny how they call it left versus right. I call it right versus wrong. The right is just clearly wrong about a lot of their standpoints, but even from a humanitarian point, they're just so anti-human. They're just pure white is right and America's right. Everyone else deserves to die. Oh my god, what the hell is going on with them? Have you considered trading New York? I've been looking at New York more often recently because the price action's been so bad in London, but it's just been moving faster than what I would like, in the sense that it's just not giving an entry, it just kind of flies in a direction. But I don't know if you've been looking at it or not, because you don't normally trade New York, do you? But I'm just wondering, like, you should probably start considering it. Seems to be interesting. Oh yeah, the issue you have is you need pullbacks in it. Freaking New York's not doing bloody pullbacks, it's just flying. Too volatile, yeah, and I just remember that you need pullbacks and stuff like that. On 30-minute time frame, you're not going to get that at all in New York session. You're just going to get direction in one way. I think the lowest time frame you could probably do is like 1 minute, 2 minute, and 5 minutes probably going to be the best in New York session if you get a tiny retracement. But as I said, even for me, it's not been that clean. It's just kind of gone, it's just run away. Let's have a look at German 40 then, innit? Because I never really looked at DAX and stuff. Let's just do 4 hour. Generally quite bullish, isn't it? Like the indices. Of course, yep. Tariffs and stuff like that, yep. That makes complete sense. It's got quite a lot of volatility, the DAX has. Not volatility, like nice structure. Like it trends quite good, and then it like breaks and stuff quite often, which is good. London's a bit 50-50. New York is really good. New York is crazy on here. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, my time windows are messed up as well. Oh god. That's London session. What am I talking about? Oh god, yeah. Why is the time frame messed up on the indice for? That's New York. That's London. New York. London. Yeah, it's got good movement in London actually. Morning, Moangi.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
The markets are so crap today, bro. So crap. But we've been blessed because we have Francis here today. He's blessed us with his time. Normally we're not worth his time, but today we are lucky. Hands going for it. Now give us a nice push up from here and then allow me to get into a short or something. Just do something, please. I'd very much like a move of some sorts. Oh. I don't know what the hell we're gonna do in these markets. Do me a favor, hit like if you haven't. Thank you. You have, appreciate it. Bit move difference. That can go over to New York. Keep that there. Go to EU. Do mark out London, no? GU kind of looks good. I'm going to see if it's going to give anything. How are you, Mwangi? How's your day going? You found any nice trades? If you have, send signal. We all need it. We all need it. Instead of saying I need it, we need it. We need it.
Fui yo.
Does look good on yeah, they do. I'm just waiting for a clean way to get in, but that's about it. Only red news is the US, so maybe that's why price is slow today. This week is really slow, bro. If you look at the Discord, yeah, what news have we got this week? For the whole week, yeah, all you've got is AUD which I don't really trade. Trump speaks Wednesday at 2 a.m. in the morning. God knows what he's gonna say. Unemployment claims Thursday. Not really a big market mover, is it? And then you've got a core PPI on Friday. It's the last week of the month. So I think there's a lack of news, lack of volatility. Last week of the month. This might be a shite month, like a shite week. And then next week I think is gonna be NFP. So I think that's why. But I'm gonna stay here and stay disciplined, because I know if I start cutting streams early, I'm gonna start missing setups and stuff like that. I need to kind of force myself to stay disciplined and stuff and just keep attending the streams. If all of us were gamers, yeah, we could all just play games together whilst we're waiting for a setup. Alright, you chill out, yeah? Freaking whirring around. I need to get a sag bracket as well, so bad. This sag bracket is not doing any justice. You know what? I'm gonna get a tape measure. Have I got anything to measure with? Yes, I do. Perfect. I'm gonna measure with my shit PC short. I'll send you my old one. My old one was good, to be honest, bro. Like, it's still a really good computer. It handled everything just about. It handled everything just about. I need to measure both sides of the GPU and figure out if it has got a lean on it, because it looks like it's got a lean. It's hard to flip it. Hard to say in it. Nah, I'm keeping them there. I'm keeping them there. I'm keeping them there. You can have them free of charge. Yeah, free of charge. Ah, that's cold. Goth girls are hot, man. So hot. Oh my god. Well, it's shorting now, but there's no way to get in on there on GJ. Nope. Now watch it short all the way down. Gold still doing nothing, silver still doing nothing. Literal range for the last 3 hours almost, with the 72 pip range on silver, and then on gold. Been pretty much ranging since here, hasn't it? The gold's been ranging for the last 8 hours with a 310 pip range, or if you want to be more accurate, about 260 for the last 8 hours. Wow. Closed all the accounts down. Obviously, I'm not going to catch a trade in this absolute bollocks price action. What was that? Told you to go back to sleep, bro. Is a good shot, but the thing is, the Bro, you know what it is? Routine, man. Routine and me does not work well together. I have to force myself through this bollocks, innit? Otherwise I'm gonna go like mess up the whole week. And listen, one day of messed up sleep messes up an entire 6 month worth of routine. Like, I'm really bad for holding routine and stuff like that when it comes to sleeping pattern. And I'm so low energy as well because my sleeping pattern's mangled because of Ramadan, bro. Like, I just got no energy. True, fasting is less energy. Yeah, just flipping bored, tired, sleepy. Plus, I drive to work, which takes an hour in the morning. Forget that, man. I just go sleep, man. Tell them chip, lad. I'm taking the month off. Yeah, usual, innit? Get your Eid holidays in ASAP, lad. Markets are absolutely shite. What up, Bashi? Hey, how you doing, bud? Welcome. Wait for news.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Yeah, I mean, we've got news on Thursday and Friday. Friday's gonna have more directional impact than Thursday is, because Thursday is just unemployment claims. That's not really anything amazing that we're looking at the moment. So yeah, but as I was saying earlier on, this week is last week of the month. We've got obviously NFP last week. We've got almost no news this week at all, which is why the markets are so push, consolidate, push, consolidate, 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 push, consolidate. Like, they're so crappy. You only FX of same thing, bro. Futures and FX are the same thing. Like, for Nasdaq on top step is going to be the same as Nasdaq on a Forex broker. The price action is going to be the same. The only difference is going to be the spread and the lot sizes and stuff like that. I would trade futures, but I have 12 accounts, bro, so I literally can't trade more than 12 accounts at one time because I use a trade copier. If I was to do futures, I'd need a separate copier for that account and stuff like that, and it's just too much headache. But I can trade NAS and USD30 and like stuff like that. NAS US30. I don't really touch S&P 500, but NAS US30 DAX. Yeah. I like to be diverse rather than stuck to one thing. So I can trade commodities, gold, silver, oil, platinum, palladium, indices, including DAX, and then Forex. And then futures is obviously basically all of that anyway, just a slightly different platform. What do you mean can't? Is it not allowed in your country or what? No, I can. I just can't trade it because I have 12 accounts. So it's going to be hard to manage 12 accounts on the trade copier and then to get more accounts on a futures platform to then go to a futures platform and then start trading there. It's going to be like too awkward, if that makes sense. Stop making excuses, Bashy. Bro, how many trades do you want me to take on the 1 minute chart, man? Freaking, are you mad? Are you mad? Oh my god.
Fui yo.
Enough so I can copy. Bro, don't worry, man. So when I come past 1 trade per second, yeah, there you go. Yeah, we're gonna do high frequency trading on a king tier. Sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. You know that that doesn't matter. Okay, G's just took the highs there. Let's see if anything's gonna occur here. I'd very much like to see something occur here. Let's do 15-second. All right, calm. There you go. 15-second chart GU right now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's read the price action on the 15-second chart. So we're seeing aggressive bearish pressure coming into the market, and in 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now it's flipped and we're seeing bullish pressure come into the market. 1, 2, 3. No, what did I tell you, bro? What did I tell you? Literally, what did I tell you? Literally, what did I tell you? Did I not just call that live on YouTube on the 15-second chart? What are you doing, scalping? You're this guy, bro. The spread is half of the candle. This guy, man. Stupid. I think they seriously, I think I'm gonna wait for some type of reversal pattern to occur now. If you can start to see that, I'd like to see us struggling to claim 135. If we can stay below 135, that's a good sign. Stupendo. Eh? Eh? Idiota or idioto is what you say, not stupendo. Stupidiendo. No, it's idiota or idioto. You stupid. Pef kuf. You bewa kuf. So we'll see if euro is gonna, pound's gonna start to drop from here around now, because we're at the 135 level. I'd like to see a rejection because I'm a bit more bullish on DXY now, just a little bit more, and I'm definitely more bearish on pound. So I'd like to see that start to show some bearish pressure. UJ's coming down, GJ's going up. On M1, see what's happening on lower time frame. It's building a channel, to be fair. Nothing really interesting is happening there. Nothing I can really work with anyway. What's his name? SW5. What do you trade?
according to TASS, Putin is to hold talks with Vietnam's foreign minister.
How important. UJ looks better for longs because you got that nice 15-minute supply zone at the top of London. Yeah, I really like the look of that getting taken out because it's just made an equal high on that level as well. Right there on Asia high there, and then right here today. So I really want that to fail. I'm hoping that we trend bearish, yeah, or we consolidate, and then in New York you get a push high and that can help in buys and then target that high from London. That'd be brilliant on UJ for New York session if we get it. But I don't know if we're gonna get that happening because markets are moving in the weirdest time frames, like in the weirdest ways. I'm guessing that guy left. 3 second patience, I swear. I got bare bad dry throat today. Ugh. I'll cut the stream in about 10ish, about 10. Getting bored. Okay, we're getting a bit of a push down on GU. Are we gonna get a retracement and then a second leg forming, or is it gonna keep going higher by tagging that demand zone? Time for me to leave. Yeah, that's fine, Francis. Good to see you again. Probably see you again in a few weeks, unless you're actually gonna start coming back regularly now. If you do, that's good. If not, see you whenever, my bro. Good luck with the 0.11 second scalping. I'm gonna stick to the 1 minute in it, mate. Let's see if I can catch anything. But yeah, have a good one, Francis. Probably see you whenever. Struggling to hold that 135 level.
India Information Minister, India Cabinet approves several power sector reforms.
What the hell was that? That was weird. Ah. I don't think it's gonna hold. UK is not a real place. Security guard assaulted as people tried to steal from Greg's. But why are you trying to rob Greg's? Are you mad? UK is mash up, man. I swear down. Yallah, I'm done, man. See, I didn't take it. One, I was looking. Two, it just felt like it wasn't gonna happen. Volume and everything's not there. That didn't look ideal to me. That looked good. That looked good, but that did not look good at all. And just because we broke internal structure, we haven't broke anything else externally, so it's a bad idea. Don't like the look of that. So I'm glad I didn't take that. Happy days. And gold, silver still ranging. That's fine. Typical. Absolutely typical. BTC. Still hovering around the 50% mark as well. I'm not getting much movement on anything at the moment today. Everything's flat. Basically, almost everything's gonna be flat. Yeah, pretty much everything is flat in the markets, unfortunately. So yeah, so I'll cut the stream here. Nothing to do today. I look at New York, but not sure if we'll get anything. Hopefully we do get some sort of movement or something, and then catch a move from there. Touch wood.
UK, streaming platforms including Netflix will be brought under Ofcom broadcast regulation.
What?
Indian rupee down 0.07% at 90.9425 per US dollar as of 3:30 p.m. IST. Previous close 90.8825.
Right, see you guys later. If I trade New York, I'll post in Discord. If you're watching this back, the links are there. Peace out.
Moving the start of settlement from 6 o'clock to 1.